What is I'm? I'm is the short form, contraction, of I am. You use I'm when talking about yourself, describing your feelings, actions, job, location, etc. Basic usage patterns of I'm. 1. I'm plus adjective. I'm happy. I'm tired. 2. I'm plus verb ing, present continuous. I'm working. I'm studying. 3. I'm plus noun. I'm a student. I'm a doctor. 4. I'm plus prepositional phrase. I'm at home. I'm on the way. 50 example sentences using I'm. Feelings and emotions. 1. I'm happy today. 2. I'm really tired. 3. I'm excited about the trip. 4. I'm nervous before the exam. 5. I'm feeling cold. 6. I'm angry right now. 7. I'm relaxed after the massage. 8. I'm bored at home. 9. I'm scared of spiders. 10. I'm confident about my answer. Activities, present continuous. 11. I'm reading a book. 12. I'm working on a project. 13. I'm studying for my test. 14. I'm watching TV. 15. I'm writing an email. 16. I'm eating dinner. 17. I'm talking to my friend. 18. I'm learning English. 19. I'm cooking lunch. 20. I'm listening to music. Jobs and identity. 21. I'm a student. 22. I'm a teacher. 23. I'm an engineer. 24. I'm a singer. 25. I'm a doctor. 26. I'm your neighbor. 27. I'm his brother. 28. I'm a good cook. 29. I'm a beginner in English. 30. I'm a fast learner. Location or situation. 31. I'm at home. 32. I'm in the office. 33. I'm at school. 34. I'm on the way. 35. I'm outside. 36. I'm in the kitchen. 37. I'm stuck in traffic. 38. I'm near your house. 39. I'm in a meeting. 40. I'm on a break. Other common phrases. 41. I'm sorry. 42. I'm ready. 43. I'm done. 44. I'm sure. 45. I'm not sure. 46. I'm fine, thank you. 47. I'm not feeling well. 48. I'm new here. 49. I'm proud of you. 50. I'm going to help you.